Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. This is me, Yuvraj Vishwakarma. Today I'm here to deliver some of my words on the very interesting and knowledgeable topic, and this is value of time. So, time. When I ask, what is the biggest mistake we make in our life? The Buddha reply, the biggest mistake is you think you have time. Imagine you wake up every day with $86,400 into your bank.
Good afternoon, my friends. My name is Ramza. I am from 325 batch. Today, my topic is After Marriage Women Life. I start my topic with quotation. A marriage is the union of two good forgiveness. A marriage is a very beautiful life.
Now I am introduce myself. My name is Sangeeta Patel and I am from Prayagraj. I have completed my graduation. That's all about my intro. So today's my topic is that how to start my journey speak English. First, I am Hindi medium students and I couldn't speak English and I couldn't read big English sentence as well as Good afternoon, all of you. This is Sweta Vishwakarma in front of you. I am from batch 8 to 10 a.m. It's my pleasure to be here. First of all, I would like to greet you, especially thanks American, who has given me this golden opportunity to present myself before you all. Without having any formalities, I would like
but human are not able to know himself. Why has human come this down? So my topic is who are human. We are living in this universe. This universe is very huge. We cannot imagine. The origin of universe is 13.8 billion years ago, and the diameter of universe is 45.6 billions.
Cybersecurity is practice of protecting device data and softwares from cyber attacks. It also involves using technologies and tools to reduce risk of cyber threats. Cyber threat is such a big problem. Many bad and unsocial activities are involved with it, like narcotics trade is shifting perceptively into the layered world of darknet. Terrorism, its recruitment, training, funding, execution.
going to share my views on value of time. So time and nights wait for none. As we all know, there are different meaning of time to everyone, but time is very important to all of us. Once time has gone, it will never come back.
Making big decisions as prime minister and presidents also, and this is because the people begin to understand that the women also deserve the same respect and rights as men. And the basic requirement for women empowerment in education, and when girls go to school they learn new skills and which will help them to grow in their life and also
To 7 West. Today, my topic is men's empowerment, and I would like to start with beautiful quotation, which is men of quality respect women's equality, but some peoples are not respect the word which is equality. Article 14, equality before.
And I am a 7K student at YMC Centenary School and College, Prayagraj. I have a passion for drawing and I'm really excited to be a part of the seminar. I enjoyed English subject the most and I'm looking forward to connect with all.
God? No one, because it is so simple. And I would like to quote a word: simple cannot be defined, it can only be demonstrated. Okay, like me, you all have wondered since from childhood who is responsible for everything, from the creation of God to eternal life or to moral guidance. Okay, but I am born in a Brahman.
Abbas, I am here to present the value of discipline in our life, the importance of discipline in our life. So, as we all know that during the school time, the teachers always taught us that discipline is very important for our life. You should be in discipline for in every stages of our lives. So here we know that discipline has the value of discipline has lots of benefits, sub benefits. That is it helps to build your good habits. That is first.
Sandeep Yadav, I am from Azamgarh, currently live in Prayagraj. Today my topic is farmer. uh, the person who work in agriculture, that is called farmer. And uh, as we also know as we also know that farmer is a backbone.
But my intro. My name is Riti. I am from Jangirganj. I am living Sobatiawang. That's all my intro. My topic is our country. The name of our country is India. India is also known as India or Hindustan. The population of our country is more than 1 billion. The India celebrated its Independence Day on 15 August every year. It is observed to commemorate the freedom of India. The national animals of India.
Introduce myself. My name is Kumkum Patel. I am from Chhatarpur, MP. I live at Rajapur in Prayagraj. My pursuing graduation BA first year. So my topic is system of justice in India. India's justice system is based on a common law system and it is structured on the hierarchy of the court. First one of the Supreme Court. The higher court is in India, in New Delhi. And the second
Village is known for its simplicity, calmness, fresh air, and healthy environment. Living in town is not easy because life has become more expensive. But in village, life is become relatively cheap. Without money, we cannot survive in city. But in village, we can survive easily. And villages are known for its.
A very, very good afternoon, sir, and all my friends are present here. My name is Hamidullah. I am from Ghazipur, Uttar Pradesh. I currently live in Prayagraj. In this time, I am preparing for IMU-SET for Merchant Navy. That's all. My topic is what are the effect of online game on youth? Online game can enhance the ability of problem solving, is critical thinking, and so many things. So many things are learned from.
Books teach you how to read biographies, but a journey to teach you how to live a life. My topic is traveling. History is a history is a witness to fact. The curiosity of learning new things, exploring new places, has Vasco da Gama and Columbus made world travelers, and this same curiosity has attracted.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Abhishek Kumar. I am from 8 to 10 West. Today I am here to discuss a important topic.
I visit to all of you 2 December in World Computer Literacy Day. And I would like my topic.
I would like thank you for giving me this opportunity, American Institute. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Karina Kanozia. I am from Sant Kabir Nagar. I currently live in Katra. So,
good evening, all of you. My name is Antima. I am from batch 8 to 10. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. American Institute. My topic, my topic is my mother. My mother is my mother is my God best friend to me. She is the most important person in my life. My mother is my very hardworking and caring. My mother is the because my mother is the most important. Today we live in a generation just social media is an integral part of our lives. Social media give us to power to share our thoughts and opinion to world in the world. So it is our responsibility to use social media very carefully.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity, American Institute, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Shriya Maurya. I am from 8 to 10 batch, and now I am going to tell about my speech topic. My speech topic is love marriage is good or arranged marriage is good. I start my topic with a code. Marriage is a vitamin. We supplement each other like daily requirement and both types of marriage, like love marriage and other marriage, have their.
Good afternoon and Jai Hind. My name is Aman Singh. I am from 3 to 5 batch. I would like to start my topic with Captain Manoj Pandey's line. If death strike before I prove my blood, I swear I will kill the death. Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you not only as a wife.
My topic is Kumbh famous fair. My Kumbh fair is one of the holiest gather of pilgrim in the world. Mm, The Kumbh fair is held every.
I am Praveen Misra. I am from batch 3 to 5. Today my topic is what is better, luck and hard work. I think hard work is better because luck is give me chance, but I succeed when I hard work. Now I am going to tell you about Michael Phelps' hard work. When
My name is Seema and I'm from 8 to 10. And firstly, I thank to American to give me this great opportunity. And at this great occasion, I would like to deliver my speech on friendship. And I have especially choose this topic to keep my my views to front of you. And and I start with the topic.
Good afternoon, sir. Afternoon, everyone. So, this is Amrita Kushwaha from batch 8 to 10 a.m. Sorry, a.m. And now I'm start to my topic with a quote, and the quote is Mahakumbh Mela is a celebration of India's rich cultural unities and its ability to bring people together in a shared celebration of spiritual and unity.
Sir, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aditya Pandey. I am from batch 8 to 10. Today, I am here to present a speech on the value of time. We all know that time is very important thing in our life. Time is the most valuable thing in all over the universe. Time never wait for anyone. No one can stop or slow down the time.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am here to present a speech on education and why it is important. Education play a very important role in everyone's life. It is a very necessary to live a great and better life. For
Introduce myself. My name is Prashant. I am from Pratapgarh. Currently, I live in Allenganj and I am pursuing my bachelor's from University of Allahabad. Today, I am here to talk about one of the most precious things that we all have, that is time. So, my topic for today is importance of time. Time is often called greatest equalizer because everyone gets same 24 hours in a day, and how we use this time.
Mohammed Siddiqui and I am a 7th grade student. I belong to Pragraj. My topic is Constitution. So, Constitution is not just a bunch of paper or document. It is a living document on which we are standing. It is our soul and backbone of our country. Our constitution is the second most largest constitution in the world after the constitution of Allah.
My name is Anil, and I belong from Pratapgarh, and here I belong from 5 to 7 batch. And now I am going to explain my topic. My topic is Human Development Index. Human Development Index, I start my topic with a quote. If you can achieve anything, then you cannot ignore the basic needs of human. If you achieve anything, then you cannot ignore.
I'm from 3 to 5 batch. My topic is yoga. Every year we celebrated as International Yoga Day all over the world. Proposal for this day was moved by Prime Minister Narendra Modi
in
would say that a big thank you of bottom my heart to our trainers who gave this great opportunity to me, and here present our judges and my dear friends. Good evening and namaste everyone. So this is Subham Churasia. I belongs to Pratapgarh, Uttar Pradesh. Currently I live at Salori in Prayagraj. I am pursuing BTech in computer science. That's all about me.
It is no to English language connect with social media. English is a language that keep connect us whole world.
My name is Swati Singh and I belong to Sankargarh Prayagraj. That time I am pursuing for BSc and my today topic is our nation. My nation name is India and I live in India. How was the name of India founded? There are many stories behind the name of India, but the oldest word used, the Bharatvarsha, is found the Hathi Gufa inscriptions. And there are many names of the India, but there are many names of India like that Hindustan, Bharat, and Aryavart, and there are many inscriptions. Good afternoon, respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Pooja Sahu. I am from 4 to 6 batch and my topic is awareness about STD. I want to start my topic with a quotation and quotation is sharing is caring until STD involved. Now I tell about my topic. STD stand for sexually transmitted disease or it is also known as sexually transmitted infection. It caused by bacteria, virus and parasites. It is important to aware people because STD spread through blood to blood contact, sexual contact, intimate or vaginal discharge, semen.
Reading the books and passing the exams. It is about learning, growing, and becoming a better version of ourselves. It opens door to opportunities and build our knowledge and help us to make the world help us to difference make the world. As Nelson Mandela said that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. This
Fathers help daughters to become a more confident and strongest woman. A person who is always sacrifice our, a person who is always a person who is always sacrifice our dream need for her children is known as a father. They always provide the financial support and stability, and they always protect our families and keep safe. I have learned many things from my father, like how to maintain, how to handle in our life, in our society. Without education, we cannot achieve our aim. We cannot do anything in job where personal development. When you are educated, so you grow, you become a, you develop our mind and to improve our characters and to develop our personality. It is very important. Job sector. When you are educated, so you build our good career opportunity in our life. When you are educated, so you know how to earn a lot of. Without education we cannot earn a lot.
Topic importance of computer. Computer is very important in present time. I tell about some points. Computer can large amount of information. Computer can save time in workplace. And computer can help improve the learning environment in schools. And computer are
And I am a 7th student at YMC Centenary School and College, Prayagraj. I have a passion for drawing and I'm really excited to be a part of the seminar. I enjoyed English subject the most and I'm looking forward to connect with all of you. That's my introduction. Let's start by my topic. My topic is One Nation and One Election.
One nation.
Management, and I would like to start my topic with a quotation. The father of management, Peter Drucker, says that management is doing things right and leadership is doing right things. Means management is always believe in those things that who is right, what is right and what is not right doesn't matter. He always think about how to complete the work, and leadership is doing.
And also mentioned in the preambles. It is officially declared in 2015 by the Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi to honor the values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, which are enshrined in the Indian constitutions.
I am preparing for international sports, cycle racing, and long tennis. This is my little introduction. Today, I would like to say thank you, American class, for giving me this golden opportunity. Today topic is
living things and perform the reactions and non-living things. It is not made by peoples and it is physicals world and everything's it is lives